Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to solve fifth problem from sixth lesson. Let's enjoy the class. Okay. Here, 1 meter long metallic rod. Okay. Now, the length of the rod is 1 meter. Okay. It's rotated with an angular frequency. Okay. So, angular frequency is denoted by omega. Is 400 radian per second. Okay. 400 radian per second. About an axis normal to the rod. Passing through its one end. The other end of the rod is in contact with a circular metallic ring. Okay. So let us consider this is the 1 meter rod. At one end, it has a metallic circular ring. Okay. A constant and uniform magnetic field of 0.5 Tesla. Okay. So the magnetic field is 0.5 Tesla. Okay. Parallel to the axis. Exists everywhere. Calculate the EMF developed between its center and the ring. So, between the two ends, what is the EMF developed? Okay. Okay. So, the rod is rotated. So, when the rod is rotated, it moves along the circular path. So that at each position, it changes its area. So, whenever the area is changed, an EMF is developed. So, EMF is BLV. Okay. So, what is V? V is the linear velocity. But here it is given as angular frequency or angular velocity. So, how we can calculate or how we can relate both of them? So, what is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity? That is V equal to R omega. But what about the question? Between the center and the ring. Okay. At the center, it may be 0. Okay. Because it is exactly at the center. When the metallic ring displaces, its position does not displaces or changed. So that its position only changed. Then we have to calculate the average velocity. Now, for instead of R, but what about this one? The length of the rod. So, for instead of R, we can write L omega. Then we can go for average velocity. Average velocity. 0 plus L omega by 2. So, 0 plus something. So, the average velocity V equal to L omega by 2. Now, for instead of V, we can substitute L omega by 2 so that the induced EMF equal to V into L into V. So, what is V? L omega by 2. L omega by 2. Now, we can substitute the value. So, what is the value of B? B value is 0.5 into L, length of the rod is 1 into L, it will be 1. Omega, so omega is 400. 400 divided by 2. Okay, so 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Here 2 0. 2 0. Here how many decimal point? 1 decimal point. So E equal to 100. So what is E? E is the EMF. So what is the unit of EMF? Volt. So 100 volt. Okay. We get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.